Okay, I'm going to go through the second page pretty quick here. You're going to need a calculator, and you might want the original copy because I'm not going to keep moving this around, drive you crazy. Say, woo. So here we go. Bob's weight went from 400 pounds to 450. Well, bless Bob. What was the percent increase? Percent increase. Remember, that's a little bit different percent. You're given different information. So it's the change in value. How much more did he add or how much did he lose? So 50 over original, which is 400, equals the percent increase or decrease, depending on what you're working on, over 100. So cross multiply, be 5,000 equals 400x. I'm going to get my trusty calculator. Notice solar. I'm saving the planet. So it's 5,000. Oops. I gotta turn it on. Divided by 400. And it says the answer is 12.5. So easy, easy. Now notice on the final. Hey, I got several percents on there. 7 is what percent of? Remember, it's is over of equals percent over 100. So 700 equals 12x. Once again, get the handy dandy trout calculator. So it'd be 700. Oh, you can't see anyways. Oh, there you can. Divided by 12. And we get blur. 58.33. Now remember, I like hundredths. By the way, if you've been watching the videos, I accidentally put number 3 twice, and it took me a little while to erase it. So if you saw 2 number 3s, so the of is the unknown. So it'd be 14 over x is 70 over 100. So 1400 equals 70x. So 1400 divided by 70, I believe, is 20. And it is. Oops. So here we go. Find the slopes. So this should be very quick on the test. Should be 3 points. 7 minus 3, change in y over change in x. You must start with the same x and y. So this would be 4 over negative 3. See, wasn't that easy? This one, subtract the 3x. And then divide by negative 5. So minus 12 fifths, although we don't really care about that. So the slope, which stands m, is 3 fifths. Now don't just write this and leave it, because that's not the slope. The slope is just this little fraction right there. Okay, x equals the number is a vertical line whose slope is always, that's right, undefined. So whenever you set just x equals number on a Cartesian coordinate system, it's vertical. Y equals number is horizontal, so the slope is 0. Parallel, and abbreviate to save a little time here. The slope of this is 1/7. Parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendiculars are negative reciprocals. Hey, 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 we're cranking here. Find the equation of line and slope intercept. If we're given a point and a slope, you should use point slope, which is y minus the y number, 2 negatives make a positive, equals slope, x minus the x number. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. So y plus 5 is 6x minus 18. So slope intercept means solve for y, so y equals 6x. Subtract 5, it'd be minus 23. Hey, 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 hey! Find the equation of line. So first we gotta find the slope. So this minus this is 6. This minus this is 3, so it's 2. pick any point, put it in point slope. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So I must have picked this point because I used 10 for y. So it'll be 2x minus 7. So y minus 10 equals 2x minus 14. Add 10, y equals 2x minus 4. This one now I want exact same thing, just put it in standard form. That's where x and y is on one side and the constants on the other, and no fractions. Now I'm given a slope intercept, so y equals 1/2 x plus 7. No fractions, so multiply everything by dose. That's 2 if you don't have that language. Now I'm going to subtract x to get x and y on one side. Now, if you have x minus 2y equals negative 14, same answer. Same answer. Sorry for the messing up, trying to get over here. Point slope, y minus 1 equals 2, x minus 8. Distribute the 2, y minus 1 equals 2x minus 16. So I'm going to subtract y and add 16 to both sides. So, now you could have subtracted 2x and added 1. That's fine too. Graphing, yay! Now it says do it by intercepts. You will have to know intercepts for the test. Very important for upper level math. So remember, to find the x-intercept, you just put 0 in for y, so that drops out. 3 times what is 6? That'd be 2. Find the y-intercept, put it in there, so negative 2 times what is 6? And that'd be negative 3. Whee! Oh, I see inequality. Do you see inequality? I see inequality. Whenever you have inequality, you're going to have shading, whether it's on a number line or the Cartesian coordinate system. So here we go. It's getting kind of dark. Sorry about that. I don't know why. Move it up here. So, x and a number, vertical line, although it's dashed because there's no equals. And I want larger. This is 1, that's smaller, so larger would be over here. Y and a number, that's horizontal. Whee! So, and it's smaller than that, so it'd be down here. So see the answer? Right in here. This one, both of them already solved for y, so wow, this should be easy, and it will be easy. I am so ready for Christmas. The y-intercept is 4, doinkers. Slope is negative 3, so down 3. 1, 2, 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. Now, is 0 greater than 4? I put in 0, 0. Is 0 greater than 0 plus 4? No. So I shade over here. Now do this one. Negative 3. Slope's a half. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Again, no equals. Whoops. So it's dashed. And is 0 less than negative 3? No. So we shade this side. Now don't forget, you can come in. I can help you after the finals. I don't even have any finals Tuesday other than my 8th grade, so look for me. I think I'm going to stop it there and then try to finish up the last, well, I don't know if I'll be able to finish up the last page or not. But, see ya.